Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to log into your ADP employee account. All right, let's begin. First, open your web browser and search for ADP employee login or go directly to the official ADP website. Once you're on the homepage, look for the sign in section at the bottom. Tap on it and wait for the page to load. At the top, select Employee Login and then tap on Next to proceed to the sign-in page. If you're given multiple login options, select the one that applies to your organization or account. Next, enter your user ID in the required field and click Next. Then enter the password associated with your ADP account and click Sign In. If your login credentials are correct, you'll be taken to your ADP employee dashboard where you can access your pay stubs, tax documents, benefits, time tracking, and other employee services. So that's basically how you can log into your ADP employee account. That's it for this video. Thanks.